How ASH restores your sense of possibility and why the future feels open instead of overwhelming when fear is no longer steering your life. When you live in survival mode, the future doesn't feel like possibility. It feels like pressure, a place where you might fail, a place where you might lose control, a place something might go wrong, a place filled with unknowns your nervous system doesn't feel ready for. So you shrink your dreams to match your fear. You limit your choices to avoid pain. You hold yourself back to stay safe. ASH doesn't push you toward possibility. It simply removes the fear that once made possibility feels dangerous. And when fear softens, the future softens too. For the future used to feel overwhelming, the future feels threatening when your body still carries all the survival messages. Don't try too much, you might fail. Don't hope too big, you'll be disappointed. Don't change, you won't be able to handle it. Don't expand, you lose what stability you have. These beliefs aren't logical, they are somatic. They come from times in your life when uncertainty was dangerous. ASH helps your system update the message. You can face what comes, you can adapt, you can grow safely now. This single truth restores the entire horizon. How ASH reopens possibility. As your nervous system unwinds from fear, something subtle and beautiful happens. You start imagining again. At first, quietly, a small curiosity, a gentle what if, a spark of interest. Then, more fully, dreams feel less fragile. Exploration feels less risky. Change feels less destabilizing. Choices feel more available. Your system shifts from what if I can't handle it to what if this could work? This is the beginning of possibility returning. When the future becomes less threatening, when your inner safety grows. You don't need perfect clarity before taking a step. Uncertainty no longer triggers panic. You don't assume the worst by default. You feel more adaptable and resilient. You trust yourself to navigate the unknown. You stop predicting pain as your baseline expectation. The future stops feeling like a test you might fail. It becomes a landscape you can explore. What possibility feels like when you are no longer governed by fear. Openness in your chest instead of tightening. Curiosity instead of dread. Gentle excitement instead of anxiety, choices that feel expensive instead of risky, dreams that feel reachable instead of unrealistic, movement that feels safe even without guarantees, the freedom to try, not because you are certain, but because you are supported. And perhaps the most profound shift, the future no longer feels like a place you must prepare for perfectly. It feels like a place you are allowed to grow into, a place that you can hold you, a place that can surprise you, a place where you can exist without bracing, where possibility becomes not something you fear, but something you welcome. H stand for artificial superheart. The original idea is as if to counteract to artificial superintelligence. It's related to AI, how we use it, but just like using the brain not to be used, how do we do it? We also need to listen to our heart. So the heart is for artificial super heart, but not just for AI, for humans too. What you heard is developed by GPT, working with me how to establish artificial super heart. It's amazing, isn't it? It's possible. AI can do this. Let's do our part too as human, to use AI, not to be used.